So one ingredient, whole roasted cauliflower. So I've just got a whole head of cauliflower, trim the base, and you can leave some leaves on, and just pop it in the pot, get in some water. If you want it to cook quicker, boiling water will be fast, but just to come up. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some salt, and then we're going to get it in the super hot oven, so 250°, and we're going to cook it uncovered. So after an hour, cauliflower started to brown, so we're going to top up with water, cover with a lid or foil, and back in the oven. So when the cauliflower's had half an hour with the lid on, just get it out and have a test. So you want it to feel really soft and that you can cut through just with a knife. And then serve it however you really love to serve cauliflower. It's good with hummus, it's good, you can just pull the bits out and eat it. If it's not super tender, you can pop it back in for another few minutes, but that is a whole roast cauliflower.